So at one point I was really debating, do I use all copper nails? Do I use some aluminum nails? I mean, in an ideal world, you use copper flashing, slate with copper nails. That is ideal. However, we're looking at a 150-year-old roof here, and because of cost mainly, but also I really like aluminum, I decided to use aluminum flashing, which then leads me to use aluminum nails, because you don't want two different metals against each other because of the electronic, or the difference in the magnetic, or the transfer of electrons. So one thing I had read said that they don't want you to use aluminum nails because it was difficult to get them out if you need to replace later. So here is a brand new aluminum nail. I pulled it out with the ripper, and you can see what it did. It basically bent the nail over and ripped it out, because I was pulling this way, so it was like this. So it came out all in one piece. I can get it out of the new slate, because this is a new piece of slate, and this new slate can then go right back in. And by the way, it's a beautiful one. It's got some mauve looking color here, really cool, the sea green, really cool piece. So it'd be a shame to ruin this, but I did not ruin it when I pulled it out. So yeah, the nail is a goner. I'm not going to be able to reuse that, but that's okay. Okay, so that was a note on using aluminum nails with aluminum flashing with slate. In my opinion, in my situation, it's working out well, and I'm going to continue doing it. Oh, and by the way, this nail has been in the roof, I would say 10 years. And absolutely no sign of any issue. Okay, that's my 2 cents. Let's call it a night.